Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix MacroDroid disabled. So guys, in order for you to fix the application, you could just simply select it and hold it and go for the app info. And now here, you could just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and OK. And this mostly reset the app, and this should be able to fix the issue. If it doesn't, you could just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and search for the application and tap on it and make sure it is updated to the latest version. When there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And when you select the three dots on the top right, just simply make sure to enable the auto update. And now, another one is just simply uninstall the app and just simply install it back in, and they should be able to fix it. There you go. See ya.